Hey, hello and welcome back. I am Stoner Dave with Reefer Madness Genetics, and today we're talking about a pretty controversial subject actually over the years. We're talking about bud washing. Okay, and we're not talking about like, oh, we're gonna make hash, we're washing your buds. We're talking about like washing like cleaning after your grow is done. I was actually first made aware of this possibility um, by um, Mr. Growit and Pigeons 420. They had actually talked about bud washing a few years ago, and I started doing it, and oh man, it's a really good thing to do. When you take a microscope to your buds and you see, any of the junk that can fly around in the air, whether it be miniature tiny fuzz balls that you can barely see unless it's a light shining through and you can see, oh, that's a little fuzzy flying there, you know what I mean? Those will get on there occasionally, and you'll see, if you have pets in the house, you'll see stuff like pet hair. You'll see your hair. You'll see little pieces of clothing type material, colored stuff. Occasionally, if you've got, stuff on that you're rubbing all over the plant with. So bud washing is a really good thing, and what you want to do for washing your bud is you want to take for a easy clean, no major issues at all. Just kind of want to clean it up a little bit, make it nice, and make sure that it doesn't have any extra little fuzzy balls on it or anything like that that were floating around in the air. Um, 15 to 20 mils of H2O2 in a 5-gallon bucket filled with water should be sufficient to take care of any of those issues. Now, if you have serious issues that you're trying to take care of after you've cropped out, you may want to use up to 50 mils of H2O2, and we're talking about high grade 32% food grade, 32% or better H2O2. And you want to obviously dilute that down. Be careful because it is pretty caustic to your skin. It does not react well. So be safe, use your protection, and go and wash your buds if you feel that that's something that you might want to do. Um, it's been a controversial subject, like I said, but definitely something that I have adopted after watching Pigeons 420 talk about it. And I think if I remember right, he stated, we wash all of our other vegetables and all of our other fruits and stuff. Why would we not wash our buds? And that statement alone was kind of like, huh, it got me interested. And so I tried it, and yeah, I like it. So, all right, well, hey, this is bud washing. Thank you for watching. Check us out at reefermadness-genetics.net for seeds and for the Vault Club. Check out our vendor, qsseeds.com. And if you guys need some quality genetics of the old school variety with a little new school twist or maybe some old school remakes and whatnot, check it out. Appreciate you. Have a good holiday. Take care.